Hi there! Today we are going to answer the following part 2 question. Describe your favorite food or dish. You should say what food it is, how it is prepared or cooked, how often you eat it, and explain why it is your favorite food. But first, let's have a look at some vocabulary we are going to use in our model answer. This is dough. Flour is a white powder we use to make dough. Right, flour is pronounced just like flour. We add yeast to the dough to make it rise. This is how the dough rises when we add the yeast to it. This is how we knead the dough. And this is how we roll out the dough. It's a rolling pin. We roll out the dough with the rolling pin. This way we can stretch the dough by hand. This is meat. We can make minced meat using a blender. We bake food in an oven. We fry food in a frying pan. We boil food in a pan. Mouth-watering food is the food which looks very appetizing. Here is our model answer to the task. I've decided to talk about pizza, which is a dish of Italian cuisine and popular all over the world, and definitely among my favorites. You can find it in any part of the globe. I guess every cafe or restaurant includes the dish on their menu, but to be honest, I enjoy eating homemade pizza. As for its recipe, first off, we should prepare a soft dough. Basic ingredients we need to make the dough are flour, yeast, a pinch of salt, and some water. The next step is to mix all the ingredients, knead the dough, and let it rise. After, we need to roll out the dough with a rolling pin or stretch it by hand. Then, prepare toppings to your taste, as tomatoes, mushrooms, olives, or minced meat, and sprinkle some cheese on the top. Finally, put it into a preheated oven and bake for 15 or 20 minutes, and the pizza is ready. I eat the pizza almost weekly, and I like the food for many reasons. For one thing, it's delicious and can be either a satisfying main meal or a snack. For another thing, you can make the pizza in a frying pan if you don't have the oven. What's more, it's easy to make the mouth-watering pizza using the ingredients you usually have at home. When talking about a recipe, don't forget to use linking words like first off, the next step, after, then, finally. If the video was useful, give it the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.